Hi you guys, welcome to this makeup tutorial for an everyday makeup look. So I'm starting off this look by applying this primer. It's not actually, it is created to be a makeup primer, but I'm really using it because do you see how reflective it looks on my skin? It just kind of looks like I'm putting liquid gold on my skin. And I'm doing that, you guys, because whatever I'm putting on as a base is going to reflect through the matte makeup that I'm going to put on. I'm going to be using a lot of powders and a lot of matte makeup because I naturally have oily skin. So I choose this luminous primer so that my skin looks luminous through those layers of matte makeup. My skin has movement, it's still radiant, it's still youthful, it still has that healthy glow. But let me tell you my philosophy behind makeup application is that when it comes to any kind of beauty, hair, makeup, nails, I like to have a mindset of set it and forget it. Like I will spend a significant amount of time so that it looks good and that it doesn't move throughout the day. So now you can see I've blended out my foundation, my two foundations with this beauty blender. Now I'm going in to highlight underneath my eyes, down the center of my face with a highlighter that's about 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And I like to stay on the very warm side of concealer color. So it has to have kind of an orangey undertone for my skin tone. And that just makes sure that my bronze skin stays very warm in color. I like to use my contour color and carve out underneath my eyes and along the side of bridge of my nose. Now after doing that, I'm going to set the center of my face with a lighter powder, and then I'm going to set the outer portion of my face with the powder that matches the foundation on the outer corner, and then I kind of blend it right in the center where there's the line between those two colors, just so that there isn't any significant separation between the two foundations. With a matte brown eyeshadow and a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and mimic the same shape that I made with my contour concealer. What this is doing is just giving another enhancement to my eyes. Whatever I did with the cream product, I'm now just doing with a powder product to set everything in place, but also enhance it just a little bit. And then underneath that, I'm going to go ahead and change my brush to an eyeshadow brush and gently pat on a light colored eyeshadow. Now this can be any light colored eyeshadow, but I tend to use something that is a light brown or something that's a little bit lighter than my skin tone. And then I'm going to go back to a crease brush and I'm going to take a darker brown, not the same brown that I used underneath my eyes or anything like that, but just a slightly darker brown. And I'm going to highlight just the outer corner of my eye just to give a little bit of dimension. Now with a super tiny brush, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and kind of create a little bit of an angle on the outer corner of my eye. And this kind of creates the beginning stages of a winged eyeliner, but it's a little bit of a cheat, which I really like. So I put that on the outer corner and then I start to tightline and apply black eyeliner under my bottom lashes. I'm sorry, under my top lashes, but it's underneath the lid, if that makes sense. This gives a little bit of definition without actually seeing the liner. So it makes my eyes look a little bit larger, a little bit more defined without actually seeing the liner and the liner taking up too much eyelid space. If you're a person who doesn't have a lot of eyelid space as is, tight lining might be your best go. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some brown eyeliner. After applying blush, I'm now going to apply Tawny Nude Lip Gloss. Y'all, I love Tawny Nude Lip Gloss because this is my perfect neutral natural, and it matches with pretty much any eye look and anything that I wore. So when I'm out and about, I just have that in my purse and nothing else. So I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, please consider sharing it with some of your loved ones and friends that you think will benefit from any of the tips that I've taught in this video. Until next time, you guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.